Hey, what's up, my YouTube family? Welcome back to another video. We're back again. Happy Sunday, guys. Hope you guys had a fantastic weekend. My weekend was fantastic, guys. As always, feels good that I can spend time with my family, my friends, and my loved ones. But this video, guys, I want to make for you guys is to show you more proof that the business opportunity that I have partnered myself with for 2024 going into 2025 is still producing and is still blessing me till today. If you're new to my YouTube channel, this is your first time here, go ahead and do me a favor, guys, and hit that like and subscribe button. My channel is dedicated to teaching you exactly how to change your life and your income at the same time. So what I like to do, guys, I like to make video to show you exactly my daily routine, exactly what I do on a daily basis to build my business opportunity. If you are in a business opportunity and you're not seeing results in your business, is because you just haven't figured out how to promote the business or get the information out to relay it to the member. So what I like to do, guys, I like you to follow me and I like to show you exactly what I do on a daily basis to promote and build my business opportunity for 2024 going in 2025. Now, the business opportunity that I'm talking about has been around for a while now, a couple of years, and I think 4 to 5 years now. I've been in the business opportunity for 2 years, and the business opportunity I'm talking about is called Cash Building Systems Unlimited. Okay, now the reason why I decided to join the business opportunity because I was just looking for a way to make extra income on the side. I do still have a full-time job, but turning it into a six-figure income business. So I was looking for something that I could do just part-time on the side, maybe get my wife to come off her job, supplement her income, and I can still work my full-time job and build it to a way that I can then come off my job. And it has been helping us. It's not six figures yet. I just have to ramp it up a little bit more, but it has been blessing us, allowed us to go on vacation, guys, allow us to catch up on some bills, to pay some things off. So it's something that you are looking to do. It can help you to do that. Now, I do want to put out a disclaimer, guys, that you do have to put the work in. Now, I do build my business every single day. I'm posting content on YouTube. I'm posting content on TikTok and Instagram. Three platforms that I use on a daily basis: Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, to where I can connect with my audience. Now, if it's something that you are looking into doing, I advise you to look into it. But another way that I do market my business opportunity called Cash Building Systems Unlimited is I mail out a simple postcard like this. Now, this is the postcard that I created. This is 6x9 jumbo postcard. As you can see, it's nice. It's wonderful. It do all the selling and telling for me. I use a system. Okay, the system is wonderful. It do all the selling and telling for me. I send people with this postcard. I send them to my system that will follow up with them automatically, so I don't have to keep following up with the prospect. And once they are ready to sign up with the business opportunity. Now, the company, once you become a member, the company will mail you out their postcards that look exactly like this. Is a 4x6 postcard, okay? Now, it has all the information on there as well. It do all the selling and telling for you. And then it has directions for them to mail this to JD Marketing. He's the owner of Cash Building Systems Unlimited. He takes the order for you, mail out the kit, and then you will get compensated. Now, I do build this business online and offline, okay? I'll show you exactly where to get your leads from. I'll show you exactly where I print my jumbo postcards from. You get this template free once you partner with me in Cash Building Systems Unlimited if you want to mail out jumbo postcards. So I share all that information, which, as you can see, has a gloss on it. It's big. Once they get it in the mail, you can't miss it, okay? So this is something I created outside of the business postcards right here that I mail every week. I like to drop mine off on Saturdays, and then so it can start hitting people mailbox that next week. So something that you are looking to do, guys, is simple, it's easy, it's duplicatable. But any business opportunity that you join, I'm going to tell you, you're going to have to put in the work. Okay, so if you go through my YouTube channel, you can see exactly how I'm marketing the business every single day. I start making other videos showing you exactly on my computer right there. As you can see, my computer right there in the background. Woo! My YouTube channel right there. That's my setup right there. I got my mics right there. You don't need nothing fancy, but I got the mics right there, ready to rock and roll, ready to record. But as you can see, I'm on my phone right now, so you don't need nothing fancy. And I got this little mic right here that picks up my sound so you can hear me clearly. But this is what I do on a daily basis, just to upload content so you can connect with me on a personal level to let you know that I am tangible, I am a real person. I do market my business opportunity. I believe in my business opportunity. And if you can do the same exact thing, guys, you can build, start generating an income from home. Now, in order for me to turn this into a six-figure income business opportunity and for me to come off my job, I'm going to have to ramp it up, so which means I'm going to have to start driving more traffic, mailing out more postcards to get more eyeballs on my business opportunity. Now, anybody can drop these off in the mailbox, okay? Anybody can drop these off in the mailbox, does all the selling and telling for you, all right? And all it does, it leads them to my website. It has my ID on it. That way they know to put my ID on it to where I can get compensated for the sale. So without further ado, guys, just want to let you know that I did have another payment coming to the mail right there. Covered my address right there. You see my name. Ooh, I did open it. All right. Ooh, right there. So I did have another payment coming to the mail right there. And guess what, guys? Cash. All right, so we are able to receive cash in the mailbox, okay? Just want to welcome George to the team. George, I will get you started. I have your email address. I email you everything that you need to get started with Cash Building Systems Unlimited, get you uploading to our Facebook group, and get you rocking and rolling. Guys, if it's something that you are interested in, we receive cash, we receive checks. Go through my YouTube channel, check out my other videos so you can see me. You can see the other videos that I have posted of me receiving checks in the mailbox. Now, what would a $700 check, $500 check, $350 check help you to do, guys? That's gas, that's food, that's a light bill, that's other bills that can that you can use that check to help you to pay for. Things are going up, so why not have a side hustle that can help you extra on the side of what you're doing? Okay, if you have a full-time job, you have a part-time job, you also need a side hustle to help you out. The economy is going up, guys, so why not have extra income coming to the mail? If you are ready to get started, guys, go ahead and click on that link below. It's going to take you to my sales funnel. In the sales funnel, guys, it has all the information within that you can contact me if you have any concerns or any questions. See you on the next video. Have a good night. Peace.